This is Entertainment 97. Entertainment 97. Welcome to Entertainment 97. For the love of music, information, reviews, the movies, and the party scene. Entertainment 97.
Coming up, local and international entertainment news highlights. Entertainment flashback in 60 seconds, this week's hot happenings, and check this out. Good afternoon, I'm Yashika Graham, and this is Entertainment 97. Heading this week's local entertainment news, Grammy-nominated dancehall sensation Spice has been featured on Spotify's Equal campaign. Since its launch, Equal has put the spotlight on women through global partnerships, content experiences, and platform support, which are all created to foster fairness for women in music while celebrating their contributions. Still in local entertainment, international Jamaican dancehall artiste Sean Paul has teamed up with UK-based Port Royal Patties to launch his very own Scorcha patty. You'll remember in our last entertainment report, Sean Paul had released his latest album, Scorcha, that's making strides all over the world. Patties, which are a popular Jamaican delicacy, have been an international hit in Caribbean communities in New York, in Canada, and in the United Kingdom. Port Royal Patties is a Jamaican family-run business with products in major stores, schools, and restaurants across the UK. In international entertainment, popular US comedians Chris Rock and Dave Chappelle are teaming up for a combined comedy special in London later this year. The stand-up comedy show set for Saturday, September 3 in London is being dubbed a night of world-class comedy. Rock and Chappelle made headlines earlier this year when they were both attacked on stage during separate events. Rock recently joined Chappelle on stage at West Hollywood's The Comedy Store, where both made fun of their recent attacks. This week's entertainment flashback in 60 seconds takes a walk with the iconic Twinkle Brothers. The group has been around since the beginning of reggae in the early 60s and was led by Norman Grant, featuring his two brothers Ralston and Ashton Grant. The three combined to form a smooth trio style similar to the Mighty Diamonds. The great Bunny Striker Lee, who we spoke about in the last entertainment flashback, was their producer in the early 70s. He helped the group create a number of reggae hits including We Can Do It and Miss Laba Laba. The year 1975 was the best year yet for the Twinkles, as their most popular released track, Rasta Pon Top, really ushered in their success. The popular single and album of the same name oozed Rasta roots and soul with some gospel vocal stylings that had fans wanting more. The trio later became a duo after their success began to cause some friction and Norman Grant decided to work as a solo artiste. The Twinkle Brothers managed to persevere despite their ups and downs over the years and decided to travel to Poland, where their records sold very well. The duo is still active in the industry and released an album in January of this year titled Still Smiling. They're a true definition of persistence and consistency, don't you think? And that's our bite for this week. Tune in next week, same time, same place, for an epic entertainment flashback in 60 seconds. And in this week's hot happenings, catch cooling Saturdays on June 11 at Offshore Lounge and Restaurant, Consumer Plaza Rooftop, Constant Spring Road. Admission is free. And June 11 is also Crazy Chris's big birthday bash. It's this Saturday, featuring DJ Dre, DJ Marvin, Colin Hines, and Crazy Chris. It's all happening at 2 to 3 Port Henderson Road in Portmore. Admission $1,500. It's time for a little throwback for your playlist, so go check out The Weeknd's 2016 hit single I Feel It Coming, featuring Daft Punk, that has hit 1 billion views on YouTube. The single, which is featured on The Weeknd's third studio album, Starboy, peaked at number 4 on the Billboard Hot 100 charts. And that's it for Entertainment 97. I'm Yashika Graham. Thanks to technical producer Edson Johnson and producer Abigail Wilson. Tune in for your weekly dose of entertainment scoops every Friday inside Cool Rhythms with Entertainment 97.